The Can-Am Maverick X3 is a ride that needs no introduction, and we know we've left it out of our lineup of side-by-side upgrades for far too long. But today, that changes. Hey everyone, John here from Diode Dynamics, and today we're excited to debut 5 new Stage Series lighting kits for the Can-Am Maverick X3. If you aren't familiar with our Stage Series lineup, it's quickly become a popular choice for off-roaders and overlanders alike. And for good reason, with its market-leading performance, unmatched durability, and US assembled construction. What makes our pods different than most is our TIR optics. While traditional optics like reflectors or more simple lenses lose light internally and to glare, our custom engineered TIR optics collect all the light from the LED and direct it only where you need it, drastically reducing glare and improving total output efficiency. Each Stage Series beam pattern was designed with optical simulation modeling to shape the output into highly functional and application-specific beam patterns. Along with the powerful main beam, they also include an accent backlight to make your ride stand out. Each of these kits and pods used are designed, tested, and assembled by our world-class team right here at our facility in the US. They bolt directly to your rig's factory mounting points and are backed by our standard 8-year warranty. No matter the terrain, whether it's the trails, in the dunes, or rock climbing, our Stage Series lineup will help you illuminate the way. Let's kick this thing off with our favorite kit in the lineup, our SSC1 LED Headlight Kit. This kit has been custom designed to replace the dim headlights from the factory, providing you with significantly more light output. The included bracket allows you to mount 3 of our high-performance 6000K cool white SSC1 LED pods, which all feature different optics to give you light exactly where you need it. This bracket bolts on easily and features an extra mounting point compared to other options in the market for extra stability. It's made of heavy-duty, powder-coated stainless steel, so it can withstand whatever you throw its way. The outer pods use our fog and wide optic. Combining the fog and the wide optic for the low beam creates a highly functional beam pattern. The fog optic provides an incredible 98-degree spread of light, while the wide optic packs an extra punch of off-road light directly in front of the vehicle. The inner SSC1 pod comes in our spot optic for the high beam to provide a high-intensity beam pattern downrange that can't be outrun. Unlike other kits in the market, all Stage Series LED pods feature an amber backlight, allowing you to retain the factory DRL function for a more aggressive and unique look. Next to our headlight kit, you'll find our Stage Series LED Grill Kit. A full replacement for the plastic OEM grill, this allows you to mount 2 SS3 LED pods in the lower bumper area using our custom design stainless steel replacement grill that's built to endure the elements, giving you a stealth OEM way to mount your pods. Unlike other options in the market, our replacement grill was designed to closely match the honeycomb pattern in the lower grill and bolts using factory mounting points. The SS3s included in this kit are offered in our fog or our combo optic, which combines both the driving and flood optics, which comes in either our 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow. If you run in dusty conditions at all, this is the perfect place to put yellow pods to cut through dust and fog at high speeds. Moving up the X3, you'll find our Stage Series Pillar Kit. This kit allows you to mount a pair of our SS3s or SS5 LED pods to your A-pillar, utilizing our heavy-duty roll bar mounts. The pods in this kit feature our combo optic, providing high-intensity output downrange and adding fill light directly in front of your X3. Just like our grill kit, we offer these in 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow, along with an amber backlight. Though, if you opt for SS5s in white, you'll have a selectable backlight with 8 color options to choose from. Up top, you'll find our SS5 Roof CrossLink LED Lightbar Kit. Our SS5 CrossLink Lightbar Kit allows you to mount 8 linked SS5 LED pods on the roof for maximum performance. You have the option of 6000K cool white or 3000K selective yellow in our combo beam pattern. In addition to our insanely bright main beam, our SS5s include a built-in selectable backlight with 8 color options for our white pods and a single amber backlight for our yellow pods. These can be easily cycled with the flip of the included toggle switch without any extra controllers or wiring. Moving around to the back of the X3, we've got 2 kits to choose from, our Stage Series Chase Light Kit or our Stage Series Reverse Light Kit, both which utilize our SSC2 LED pods. The Chase Light Kit includes a high-power yellow dust light and an amber backlight, giving anyone riding behind you a more visible indicator. The Reverse Light Kit, on the other hand, includes a high-power white reverse and red accent light, providing you with significantly more output in the rear of your ride or backing up at night. As you can see, these kits produce an unmatched, extreme focus light and offer a stylish and modern appearance upgrade, all at a great price. And that's the Diode difference. If you're interested in one of these kits for your X3 or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn those notifications. Thanks for watching.